Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel Tech at Home. So as I told to you in my previous video that today I'm going to explain you how to add end screen elements to your videos.
But before that, hit that subscribe button and also that bell icon for the latest updates.
So let's get started. For this you have to open Chrome. Then after opening Chrome you have to open YouTube. Okay, once the program has opened, what you have to do, you have to go to YouTube Studio. Then after going to YouTube Studio, you will on the left you will find some several options like I told you before as well. So here you will find dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, comments and much more. So just leave that, just click on content. So once you come to the content, here you will find your all ever videos which you have posted to your channel. I also told you this before. So what you have to do next, you have to let's suppose I want to add an end screen element to my this video Ramadan Mubarak. So you have to click on this pencil which is known as details. Here you can add the title, description, but we don't need it for now. So if you will scroll down, you will find here end screen elements like I told you about thumbnail one. So here just click on this pencil. Yes, according to your video size it will show you some different requirements
For you in this Ramadan.
Yes, this everything.
So spend the time with your family in this Ramadan and spread peace and love everywhere and stay united.
Okay, from from here I want the end screen elements. So what can I do is that I want one subscribe button and one video. Okay, yeah, this is only my place. I can move it because this is only the my video is actually vertical, so it will just set it according to vertical size. I can resize it. See, I will in the just corner I will just drag it and I will set this. Okay, now it's time for
you in
main
this.
editing. Okay, so I will put a subscribe button over here. I will resize this. I will make it small if I can. Too big, mashallah.
Okay, so till that, Allahafiz.
I can delete this. Can I? Okay, I'm just giving you an example, so that's okay.
So spend.
Okay, so from
Okay, so till that, Allahafiz. I will meet you all in the next video.
okay. So this is how you can set the end screen elements, but right now I am discard this and I will show you another example so that you understand nicely. Let's suppose I can do on this one how to see comments to your videos easily in YouTube. So I will add an end screen element in this. End screen element is already applied in this, but I will delete it first and then I will show you. See, delete, delete, delete. Okay, so wait, from where my video started to my channel, the outro. Yeah, from here. So I can select a nice one. See, there are many. So you, according to your requirement, you can take one. So I will take this one for now, and I will set this. Okay, one thing must be in your mind that a video does not be overlapped to a subscribe button or does not overlap to a video. Otherwise it's not going to be safe. Okay, this is showing me red, means it's not correct. Video element cannot promote the video being watched. Oh, okay, so means I cannot tell them, because this is the video of how to see comments, right? So I cannot add this video again. Yes, so I need to change this video. I will click on this video. And here I will find some option, most recent upload or best for viewer, how to reply to your comments easily in YouTube. So here I will find many. So what I do usually in my YouTube videos, I put a previous video. I click on this pencil again and I select a previous video from here, but it's your choice. You can get a best for viewer or you can take the most recent upload. Right now I will go with my choice. I will just go from here. I will select up my previous video, this. Okay, this is fine. And I can select a playlist. I can yes, I can select a playlist. I can edit the playlist. I can take it home, and I can change this playlist to a video format. I will click on this plus sign and I will bring a video, and I will delete this playlist one. Yes, playlist has been deleted. And this, see, now I don't want the playlist. Now I will resize it and I will bring it to the box. Yes, it's better. Okay, and here's the subscribe button, like always, most recent upload, and then so here I will select most recent upload. Okay, so see. How was that? Wow, nah, big hands for me. So after that, what you have to do? You have to press save. I saved it actually. Okay, now I will show you this video in YouTube. Okay, now I am on my home page of my YouTube channel. So I will select that video. Let's see. Studio, stay tuned for more videos and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Clear? Yes. See, I can just press on the subscribe button and anyone can subscribe to my channel. I can see this video. I can see this video. This is my recent upload, and yeah. So how was it? Nice, right? Okay. So I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Share this video with your family, friends and relatives. And how to add cards, I will tell you in my next video. So stay tuned. See, this is cards. This and screen cards. Okay. So stay tuned for more videos. Till that, Allahafiz and Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Spread love and peace everywhere, please. And stay united and never hurt anyone. Help the poor, help the needy. Till that, Allahafiz. I will meet you all in the next video.